There is some amount of grip, but there are a few cracks like this. The horn is louder than what I have on the Tiger, I guess. See? Pom pom. Hello people, welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. Today is the 15th of April 2023. The time is just about to be 10. 3 minutes to 10. And yeah, happy wish to all the viewers. It's been a while since I made a YouTube video and finally we're back. Hopefully we continue regularly. So ever since I bought the Tiger, I've been busy trying to get that bike, customized and got it road ready for a trip. And I think today will be the last big expenditure I'm going to do on that. That is, will be replacing the tires as you've seen in the title. So let's go. The tires already here. I ordered them about a week ago. Okay, I turned the lights off. Yeah, much better. And yeah, what I've done is I've changed the mounting bracket that I use for the Dango design clamp. So it gives a better view from the motorcycle actually. Thing is, there was too much of the dashboard and the windscreen. Nothing much was visible. So I thought I'll give it a new try. That's going to be an experiment as well. Okay, the thing is, it's become too heavy and the extender is taking the weight way too out. So there is this spring which can be used to turn the camera to portrait or landscape mode, and due to that there is a small shake. That shake is not small actually, it is too much. There's a lot of weight in the front. I'll have to remove it, so I think we'll just go back up, unscrew that extra mount and then we'll go. You see this? I mean, not the Allen key. This extension is what I tried to use, and there is this spring here on this mount. So it's kind of shaky due to the weight. So I'll just remove this and then we'll go. You will have more of this visor part. Okay, there is one more thing. I didn't use the balaclava, so the helmet is a little loose and the front is dropping down. Actually, all the padding inside the helmet is weak. I'll need to replace that, but not able to find a new set of cheek pads for this. It's been so long since I vlogged like this behind the handlebar, and I can feel the difference. I would use this helmet normally to go out somewhere for a long ride. I mean, short ride, not long ride, towards the outskirts and all, and I wouldn't carry the camera, so the helmet felt light. But today I can feel that difference. It's dropping the front. I'm not able to hold my neck straight up now. Let's do some motor vlogging regularly. This is squad inspection, checking, whatever you call it, because the elections are around the corner. So how much has the motorcycle run before we change? Yeah, it has done 17,211 kilometers. So here we are at Wheels and More. Finally started working. The front is off. So this is the current condition of the rear tire. There is some amount of grip, but there are a few cracks like this, and the front has a lot of these cracks. So replacement. Look Look at the amount of cracks in it. Oh yeah. And this is the brand new one. There it is. Where is it? Come here. This is the Pirelli Scorpion Trail II. And for the front as well. I was there at the tire shop and I had forgot to turn the GoPro off. The battery had drained out, and while the job was being done, the electricity shut down and the tire was stuck on that hydraulic machine. So thought fine, anyway there's no power there. Came home, got the battery replaced, had to walk max, did that, and going back, so from Tiger to Access, borrowed bike, scooter from there. The horn is louder than what I have on the Tiger, I guess. See? Pom pom. We are still old school. We still use a tube, even on tubeless tires, because our rim supports only tube tires. This is the place for all my tire needs. I drop in at Wheels Remote. Okay. The front is already fixed. The rear is on its way. So there it is. We have new rubber on the Tiger. Got the Pirelli Scorpion Trail II. I can feel the change. Once I lean the bike, it just wants to stick there. It doesn't want to come back. Oh yeah, it just wants to stay somewhere. All the new tire Josh is in me now. My riding gear, oh yeah, you people don't know, right? I was not on YouTube all these days. So I did order riding gear from FC Motors website. It's based out in Germany. So that has arrived. It took almost a month, but they've charged me excess import duties. So I need to go talk to India Post regarding that. I made that purchase because good quality riding gear at reasonable price, and there was some discount as well. But no, they want all my discount money also. Arey yaar, I am a papa fellow. Let me go now. I'm really hungry now. I'll go have lunch, and then we'll see what are the scenes with India Post. So done with lunch. I'm heading to the post office. I'm going with this. I know I can't bring the luggage. At least I'll request the postmaster to deliver it. We'll see how that goes. It's gonna be a big box anyway. He said between 3:30 and 4 he'll be there, since today is a Saturday. So when we go home, change the vehicle and go over there, it'll be late. It's not too far to the next junction from home. It's not too far, but tomorrow is Sunday and they'll be closed. I am done waiting for my riding gear. I want it, so I'm gonna get it. So this is Vimanapura post office, and the postmaster is still delivering post outside. He said he'll take about 30 minutes. So I'll go leave this vehicle and bring something suitable to carry luggage. Well, if I had a bungee cord, I would have tied it down. Not carrying one. I think I'll finish the vlog here for today. So until the next one, take care and stay safe. Will it go through this gap? It went through.